Hello guys and welcome back. This module is about masking, okay, and in this lecture we're going to be learning about masking. We're going to be learning about clipping masking in this lecture, and then in the next lecture we're going to be taking a more advanced type of masking which is called opacity masking. So for the first one, which we're going to be looking at, which is the clipping masking, it's basically a simple way of revealing part of a text or an object or a picture using shapes in Adobe Illustrator, okay, using vector shapes in Adobe Illustrator. And it's a very simple, and it's really a very simple or basic concept. I'm very sure most of you know about it, and we even covered it in our basic course. Okay, so I'm just going to go through it over again. So I'm going to start by creating a new document. So what masking does is it helps to reveal parts of a picture or of an object. So in order to demonstrate, let's just come here and go to the projects folder. Okay, and in this projects folder we will go to the fourth folder, which is the masking folder, okay, which has the name masking. Now just come and import these two images. I'll just choose one of them for now and then place it. Okay, now masking enables us to reveal parts of this image. So if I take a shape, okay, and then draw it out on the image like this, and then select the both of them and right click, you then see where it says make clipping mask, right? So if you click make clipping mask, you can see that the image is now buried within the shape, okay, within the shape. So only this part of the image is revealed, and when you double click now, you then see that we can now move the image. But when we do not double click, when we just click and try to move, we see that the whole mask moves. Okay, so that's it about masking. And when you select the mask, you then see these two icons here appear, and with the name clip group. Okay, now it means that this is now a clipping mask. It's now a clipping group. Okay, and when you come and click here, you'll be able to edit the image. So it means you are going inside the mask to edit it. Okay, so that's how masks work. So we also have what we call compound masks. So let's go ahead and place the second image. So we also have what we call the compound masks, and these masks work as a compound object, work in compound objects. So let's assume we have this shape here, and this shape here, and this shape here, and this shape here. Okay, we just have them arranged like this. Maybe this one is bigger, and we want to create a mask using these shapes. We want to create a mask on this image using these shapes. Okay, when we select them and maybe bring them here, and then select everything and right click and make clipping mask, we see that we are not able to do this. Okay, so I'm just going to undo, and in order to do this, just select your shapes, go to objects and go to compound path, and then make. So you're making these a compound path, so it means they'll be acting like one. So it means when you select them now, when you select everything now and right click and make clipping masks, you then see that you are able to create your clipping mask. Okay, so that's it about clipping masks. Very simple topic. I'm very sure you have experience with this topic because it's a very basic function, and every basic user of Adobe Illustrator should know about it. Okay, now you can even kind of duplicate, and you see that we now have the mask here, one of the masks here. That's one of the ones I duplicated. Okay, the one I duplicated. So you can just select, hold down Alt and duplicate, and kind of bring it here, maybe resize it a bit and go out of the group, and you see that we now have the mask here. Okay, so this is just all I have for you regarding clipping masks. Now in the next lecture we'll be looking at a more advanced type of masking, Okay, and see you in the next one.